This is Blair with Coro Medical, home of AED.us, and today we're going to go over how to change the pads and battery in the Physio-Control CR2 AED. To prepare for an emergency, you want to keep the electrodes connected to the unit at all times. This AED uses one set of pads for both adult and pediatric. The pads have a 4-year expiration. The expiration date is located on the outside of the package. You're going to change the pads at the time of expiration or if you use the AED. To install or replace the adult electrode pads, pull up on the lift tab to access the pads. Then you're going to press and hold the power button at the top of the AED until it powers off. And then to remove, you're going to carefully press the tabs on the bottom corner of the pads here. So you just lift up this little foil just a little bit, press, and it pops out. Then you're going to get the new set of pads. Gently place this in here, push down till you hear it click, and then close the cover back. The battery has a 4-year warranty. The expiration date and the install by date are both listed on the outside of the actual battery. To install or replace the battery, just turn the device upside down. You're going to use the pull tab here, pull up, get your new battery, insert till you hear it click, and you're good to go. Once you change the pads and battery, you want to verify the rescue indicator is flashing green and the AED is rescue ready. If you have any questions or if you'd like to go over purchasing options, please feel free to give us a call at 800-695-1209, or you can go online to www.aed.us. Thanks for watching.